Point 4.1 Codification of accounts. According to concise Oxford Dictionary, the term code means a system of letter or figure with arbitrary meaning for brevity and for machine processing of information. Thus, code is an identification mark. Reprint 2024-25. Overview of computerized accounting system. Method of codification. The coding scheme of account heads should be such that it leads to grouping of accounts at various levels so as to generate position statement, balance sheet, and statement of profit and loss, profit-loss account. For example, we may allot the codes for top-level grouping of accounts, forming the first digit of the account code, as follows. 1. Equity and liabilities, 2. Assets, 3. Revenues, 4. Expenses under equity, and 11. Shareholders' funds liabilities. 13. Non-current liabilities, 14. Current liabilities. Under assets, 21. Non-current assets, 23. Current assets. Note, the gap in code in the second digit. Flexibility, second digit, e.g. after 1, 3 instead of 2, is used to provide. The above codification scheme utilizes the hierarchy present, used, in grouping of accounts. Major advantage of such coding is that if the account codes are listed in ascending, i.e. increasing, order, these will be automatically listed as per the desired hierarchy. 1.4.1.1 Sequential codes. In sequential code, numbers and/or letters are assigned in consecutive order. These codes are applied primarily to source documents such as checks, invoices, etc. A sequential code can facilitate document searches. This process enables in either identification of missing codes, numbers, relating to a particular document or a relevant document can be traced on the basis of code. For examples, codes accounts, CF001, CF002, CF003, GCert Limited, XYZ Limited, ARIL Corporation of India. 1.4.1.2 Block codes. In a block code, a range of numbers is partitioned into a desired number of sub-ranges and each sub-range is allotted to a specific group. In most of the uses of block codes, numbers within a sub-range follow. 7. Reprint 2024-25. 8. Computerized accounting system. Sequential coding scheme, i.e. the numbers increase consecutively. As an example, dealer codes for a trading firm could be as follows. Codes 100 to 199, 200 to 299, 300 to 399, 400 to 499. Dealer type: small pumps, medium pumps, pipes, motors. 1.4.1.3 Mnemonic codes. A mnemonic code consists of alphabets or abbreviations as symbols to codify a piece of information. SJ for sales journals, HQ for headquarters are examples of mnemonic codes. Another common example is the use of alphabetic codes in railways in identifying railway stations such as DLH for Delhi, NDLS for New Delhi, BRC for Baroda, etc. 1.4.2 Methodology to develop coding structure and coding. Let us assume that we have to do coding for students in one of 7 schools run by a trust. The first step is to develop a coding structure, scheme, which will be used to develop individual codes for each student. Development of coding structure requires identification, finalization of hierarchy of schooling system and that of various attributes, parameters associated with a student. A hierarchy in such a situation could be as follows. Trust, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow school, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow entry year, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow stream, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow class, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow section, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow, right pointing arrow student. D. Stream could be science stream, commerce stream or general stream. A class may be divided into more than one section when the number of admitted students increases the class capacity. We can decide the coding structure after the following considerations. As there is only one trust, No provision is required in the coding structure to accommodate for trust. Had there been multiple trusts under one organization running a number of schools, the provision of trust code would have been necessary in the coding structure. Assuming that the maximum number of schools is not likely to exceed 99, we can allocate 2 digits for school. 2 digits can be allocated for the entry year. Entry year is necessary to maintain records of old students. For stream, 1 digit is sufficient. If stream is not relevant, applicable, as is the case for primary and secondary classes, the value 0 will be considered for stream. To accommodate classes, 2 digits are sufficient. Reprint 2024-25. Overview of computerized accounting system. Number of sections in a class will not exceed 9. Hence, 1 digit is sufficient for section. 2 digits will be sufficient for number of students within a section of a class, assuming that not more than 99 students will ever be put in a section of a class. The coding structure for students will be as follows based on the above considerations. School. 2 digits entry year, 2 digits stream. 1 digit. Class. Section. Student. 2 digits. 1 digit. 2 digits. Thus, if we allocate 10 digits codes to a student, we shall be able to get the following details of a student right from the code itself. Which stream in which school the student is studying, had studied. What were the class in its section and in which year the student had entered this class. List of all students who has entered a school in a given year, etc. Once the coding structure is decided as described above, allotting of code becomes easy. For example, if a student with a roll number 54 had entered section B of class 12 in year 2008 opting for science stream, non-biology group, stream code 1 in the 6th school run by the trust. Its code would be as follows: 06 08 1 12 2 5 4. Roll no of the student in the section of class 12. Section code 2 for section B. Current class 12. Stream i.e. science, non-bio. Entry year to current class i.e.